My chin itches. My chin really itches. I think I have chin fungus. It's dangerous. Anyways, I might as well make this interesting. So, I'm going to say interesting things. Puppies. Flowers. Corn in the whiskers of an elderly gentleman. But yeah, about that. I'm going to get a 1 energy tank, not the one I was having troubles with. I know I can get it, but I really don't want to get a high percentage of things. I want to just, do good. Get a good time. I don't need everything. This isn't a 100% completion walkthrough. And I could never do those because those stupid speedrun items are pretty tricky to get. Not speedrun, but you know what I mean. The one where you need to speed boost and charge through walls. I can never get those. I'm not that good. There's a secret garden in here. And there's a secret garden in all of us. Mine has a Mountain Dew fountain. There's 2 ways you can get this. You can grab... Oh, there's a grappling hook thing you can grab onto. Or you can just do the cheap way. Which I prefer. You just need to know how to space jump. Why do I have trouble saying space? I say it all the time. Jammo in space. There, I got this energy tank, and I think a full row of these babies is enough for taking on Ridley. Ridley is actually easier, well, easier I think than Dragon. Then again, easier than Dragon on killing him normally. Dragon's easy as anything, if you have him the cheap way. Anyways, let's get to Ridley already. You've been waiting this part. Ridley is awesome. Nobody messes with Ridley. I had Papa Murphy's deliver pizza to him, and he thought Papa Murphy's was already baked, but you have to bake it yourself. So he was like, "Dude, that's not cool. I told you to get me pizza, but you know what? I just showed Ridley who's boss. He's not gonna treat me like crap. He's not gonna make me shave his dog." Wait, no, that's the way to Norfair. Hooray, I wasted your time. This is a time wasterific part. Maybe if I stopped talking about nonsense, I could get things done. I'm tired of you, Gravity. Stupid Cactus Bob? That one was Bob, right? I went the wrong way. I am Cry. And now I fell. I'm not gonna go in there. It's a save point that I don't need. Down I go. Here I go, down the slopes. Yeah, she's wearing a leotard. Okay, I know where to go. Boo, 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 boo. Okay, someone's instant messaging me. I'm not giving out my instant message thingy because I'm sorry, I get enough of a crowd of people on Xbox Live. I don't really need this on my MSN. Sorry, guys. Maybe if I trust someone enough. And don't ask how you can gain my trust, because it doesn't work like that. I like the way this room looks. We're gonna see the cooler part of North Fair. It's got lots of cool stuff. Oh, and by the way, I can go in lava. It's fun. And this, well, what was I gonna say? Oh, I forgot. I'm sure it was something important. I just, forgot about it like usual. I'm taking damage, but I don't really care. Bomb! Hey! See, this part's why you need the space jump and the gravity suit. You'll need that to enter Ridley's place, because you'll need the space jump in the lava. It's the only way you can get around. And those spikes will make sure you don't use any kind of cheat. I'm sure you could bypass this with some kind of bomb jumping sequence, but really, you'd have to be hardcore. Is there anything in here that I'll just check first. Save point, not necessary, I'm using safe states. The music in this place is, well, great. It got a great remix of Metroid Prime 2. Doon, 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 doon. This is where the game gets hardcore. The fights are a lot harder here. See all this space jumping and dodging the flames? Yeah, welcome to hell. That's pretty much what this place is. It's the hell of Zeebs. I'm sure I missed something. Was there anything here? Let me check. Ooh, these hidden bombs. Actually, I'm sure there was something on the other side of that room that I probably should be getting, but I won't get it. Yeah, this Chozo statue will drain the water, or acid. That's acid, so my suit doesn't protect against it. Oh, is the boss coming up? Is it the one I hate? Oh, please tell me. I'm gonna be cheap and use save states. Is this the part with the golden chorizo? Yeah, and the evil Chozo statues are called chorizos, or chorizos. I forgot how it's pronounced. Oh, and just to let you... Oh, it's not there yet. And just to let you people know, it's basically a gold version of that chorizo we fought earlier, at the very beginning of the game when we got the bombs. Only this one's, like, on crack. Yeah, this is his room. See? It's a trap! So how do you beat him? Oh my gosh, I should show you next time. But, I'll get the fight started. There's a lot of... Whoops. There's a lot of strategies you could make. Ooh! Shouldn't have been there. You can use, charged plasma beams, which work pretty well. Oh, come on. This one's a lot trickier than the first. This was the part I could never beat when I was little, and then I only really beat it when I got the Virtual Console version. Jump and dodge that. Die! If you have the plasma beam, I think this fight's a lot easier. See, if you shoot missiles at him, it won't hurt him at first. And if you shoot super missiles, he plucks them out of the air and throws them back at you. But he is vulnerable to weapons when he has that missile in his hand. He's going from gold to, Irish pub colored, green and brown. He's almost down. Oh, and he summons his little tribbles at you. It's not so good. Yay, we beat him. This part is finished. Thank heavens. Yay!